Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, January 10th. What do we see here in this NASDAQ market? We got to close above the magic 5,000. I think that's very impressive. It's what we talked about last week on Friday. We are getting that follow through there, but not so much in these other indices. But let's go back to the NASDAQ market. What do we expect for Tuesday? Well, I'm looking for this momentum to continue. Not a dramatic move, a move about the same size of what we saw on Friday. In the currencies, well, the euro traded just a tad bit below its bearish level. Magnitude change here between the bullish and bearish is $750. I do look for follow through to the upside, but not a big move on Tuesday. I think it's going to be relatively muted. I feel the same way about the Swissy. We also traded below its bearish level. This magnitude change is $500 a contract. I look for an up day, but a quiet day for that market. In the interest rate markets, I was looking for weakness, and we didn't get that with the softness that we saw in the stock market, so it did firm up a bit. I do look for movement to the upside, but shadows on the highs as we do it. I'm not looking for strength in these interest rate markets. Gold, it's struggling. It's starting to go back up, making an attempt, but I don't see it follow through. I look for a sideways move when it comes to that market action. And over here in silver, I feel the same way about that market as well, a sideways move. In the crude oil market, we've got some numbers out there fundamentally, as we talked about in the advanced video, that are supporting increase in production and downward price movement. I look for a lower day on Tuesday, but about $1 range. And when it comes to soybeans, it isn't sure what to do, but what we do know is they are buying this market. The issue is follow through. I have my doubts about this market. I'm more neutral on that. I'm looking for unchanged to higher, but not a dramatic move in that market. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.